Khaby is a symbol of creativity and innovation on Instagram and TikTok. Just when pandemic was getting around the world and cutting off many people from this world, Khaby was growing and developing and was able to create a very good fortune for himself. If you are also thirsty for success and want to become famous in a certain field, stay with us until the end of this video. At the beginning of his career in TikTok, Khaby produced dub smash videos with Italian subtitles. Even considering that the population of Italy is close to 60 million, but still few of them are members of virtual communities. So, in order to get more contact, from time to time English subtitles are placed for videos. But even though English is the most popular language in the world, there is still the problem that many users do not know English well. So Khaby had to think of a more universal language. For example, one of the most common topics for video production that the whole world can relate to is dancing. The language of dancing is a universal language, even if no one is interested in it. But according to Khaby himself, he can make people laugh without saying a single word and with the gesture he makes, and laughing is an universal language. This is the secret of Khaby's success. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.